and you'll get a pop-up. Just close that, wait for the download to finish in your bottom corner if you're on Google Chrome. I'll just speed this up. Once it's downloaded, just right click on it, open. And what you want to do is just extract that into a folder wherever you desire. I'm going to go desktop for argument's sake. Make a new folder. Sony Vegas. Don't worry, you can delete this later. There we go. Extract that into your new folder. Go to where you have extracted it, which is my desktop. Open that up. And click on the setup. Here we go. Make sure you click the language of you desire. Mine is English. I also agree to the end user license, and also I want to create a shortcut on the desktop as I use in Sony Vegas quite a lot. Now I'm going to click install. Once installed, what you want to do is don't click on this, double click it. We have to patch it first, so go into the patch folder. There is a readme if you get stuck. It's a simple readme, but I'm going to show you that anyway. So right click and copy the protein dill file. And now what you want to do is find that file in the proper program. So you want to go your main drive, program files, and then find Vegas, and then you'll find, there you go, Sony Vegas 16. Find the protein folder, go in there, and what you want to do is you want to replace this protein, that one there, for the new one. So just right click, paste. Replace the file in the destination. You want to click yes to that, and you want to click continue for administration. And that is it, guys. So now if I double click this, it should, and it will be, the full copy. Licensed to this dude up here. It'll open up, do its doings first. I'll just throw a video in to show you one of my older ones. And as you can see, full version, working okay. And once you're finished, you can delete the folder that we made at the start, which is mine's on the desktop again. So I'm just going to right click or drag it into the bin. Make sure you've got nothing running from that program, which I have, and delete. And that's it, guys. That's Sony Vegas Pro 16 for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.